Hi guys, it's Clan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an account as an administrator. So, what we're going to do is go to search menu and type NETSTLWIZ and click that. And as you can see, I'm already an administrator since I already set it up. But what you're going to do to set it up is go to properties, just click the properties and go to group membership. There are two options here, which is the standard user and administrator. To become an administrator, click the administrator since you will be in the standard user first, and after that go to click apply and click OK. After you click that, you will see this option. If you click this yes, you will be logged out and you need to re-log in again. So that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something in this video. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below. See you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.